Hi guys, so after mounting the SmartCarb 2, this is the second ride with it. It's very precise. The throttle response is very precise and no delay at all. No matter what you are even in a third gear from very low speed, I just hit the throttle and it's revving up very well, no lagging at all. The only one problem I have right now is that in very low RPM on first gear or second gear, it doesn't hold the revs, and the bike just shut off after a few seconds without any throttle. I think it's something with the carb, but then it's also something with the clutch itself. Maybe I need to bleed it because there is no good separation while I'm using the clutch. I know the clutch, not the basket itself, sorry, the discs and the plates are kind of wore out, so I need to replace those. I think it may fix this problem, but I contacted Technology Elevated and they suggest me to lean out the carb, the low speed mixture of the carb. You have this dial, you have this little dial. You just need to open the throttle wide open and then click this inside, push it down, sorry, and then left it's for leaning and right is for reaching. So clockwise is for reaching the mixture, the low speed mixture, and if you're counterclockwise, the clicks, so it will lean it out. I just lean it out, sorry, by 2 clicks according to their suggestion. It's better, but still it's not spot on. But I think again it's something with the clutch, so I have to check it. Maybe I'll try to lean it more, 2 clicks or 1 click, and see what are the changes. You need to do such things in low increments, so you won't do big changes. You need to do a little change each time, small change each time. And another thing, it's the wide open throttle. I must say, it's something crazy. It made me scared yesterday. I tried to run some wood on a straight trail, and this thing rips. And by the way, no matter what, I just came out of the forest, very low speed riding, and look, nothing. The pipe is clean. The pipe is very clean, no sponge at all. The bike feels different. It's like a new bike. It's very precise, and the tuning is so refined. I'm really happy with the results of the SmartCarb 2. The installation was easy. Took me about 20 minutes or half an hour, something like that, just because I torqued down everything and all that, but and clean it out. If I clean the bike before that, it can take less time. Really happy with this purchase. I can highly recommend anyone with the Mikuni carb to purchase the SmartCarb 2 from Technology Elevated. They have a great support. I bought it full price, so I'm not getting any money from them by give a recommendation about them or suggest you to buy the carb if you have carburation problems with your current bike. It's just a good product, and I'm very pleased and happy about it. And also the fuel economy, I need to run some tests to see the fuel economy, if it's better than the previous Mikuni. I'll update you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.